Alright, I've got a basic scan tool review for you guys. This is the ThinkCar 689BT, and it has, it's a little more portable size. The dongle actually magnetizes to the back of it. It almost pulls it right out of your fingers when you're going to put it back. So I like that. I like that I can pick this device up with the dongle attached to it. That's really nice. It means it's a strong magnet. It's got a strong connection, and the look of it is awesome. It's got almost like this military, like brown, desert brown color with the black accents on the outside. It's got a steering wheel holder on it, so you can drape this over the steering wheel. It comes with different connections, different power connections, Ethernet cable if you need to update something, whatever it may be. It's all in here. It's a very, very, very affordable price. That would be the connection for the Ethernet cable. And this is the connection for different hookups. Here's your power cord and your different power adapters. We need this one right here. And how these power adapters work is you push this button down right here in the corner, and then you could spin this thing counterclockwise, pop it out of there, and pop the new one in. And then your power cord, your USB goes in there, and your Type-C goes in the top of this. Also, the carrying case it's pretty beefy. It's a really nice carrying case. I like how ThinkCar really puts effort into the quality of how they package their stuff up and give it to you. It's very nice. So far, I went in here, I hooked up to the internet, I upgraded to the latest versions, and now we're ready to back out of it. New version tips right here. Okay. Downloading the app. Restarting it. This is a 2019 Volkswagen Jetta. It's got a check engine light on. I don't know, somehow it was sent to us. I think we got it from auction, or yeah, it was an auction car. So it's got a center console full of change, quarters, all kinds of stuff. It's got fresh flowers that somebody bought before the thing was either repoed and sent to auction. Got all kinds of stuff back here in the back. It actually smells like rotten food in this car. Alright, I'm going to pop the dongle off the back of it. I like the feel of that. It feels nice. I'm gonna pull my steering wheel stand out. Put it right there. Plug the dongle in down there underneath. It beeped to indicate that it was connected. And now we're going to go to auto search. Connecting to the Bluetooth device. Wow. Very cool. It's got like the Matrix thing going on there. I like this thing already. Yep, 2019 Volkswagen Jetta. It's fast. I mean, from so far, it's pretty fast. This must be doing some kind of diagnostic check, maybe. Let's do a health report. It's currently 8:35. I'm going to let this run its health report. The vehicle requires the hood to be open when performing the diagnostic function. Okay, let me go ahead and open the hood. Alright, hood is popped. Hit OK. It pulls up the manufacturer suggested how it determines whether what the criteria needs. It's got 5 codes already in the engine electronics. 1 in the brake, 2 in climate control. I like this layout. This layout is extremely nice. It's very quick, and it's just boom, 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 boom. There we go. We got a random cylinder misfire, cylinder 3 detected, cylinder 2 detected, engine misfire on the first 1,000 revolutions, and a P0442 evap control system, small leak detected. So it's going to need definite evap diagnostics that could be causing those misfires. Fresh air blower vent, front open circuit, function limitation due to energy management. Probably battery went dead or got real low. Set some of these codes. Remote control key 1 voltage too low, so I need to change the battery in the remote. Adaptive cruise control misadjusted. Adaptive cruise control sensor limited visibility. So there's snow on the front of the car, and then everything else checks out to be normal. So we need to get into this evap system here first before anything, and go from there. Pretty nice little scan tool. I'm going to get out of it. I'm going to exit the health report. I am going to go to system scan. See how that runs. Basically what it's doing is it's running down the module list and telling you what it's equipped with, so you know what modules are online, or that this scan tool can pick up. And then it's going through and it's scanning them. Okay, there's all your equipped modules. That's your system scan. If I wanted to go on something specific, I think I can. Yeah, I can click on the module itself and I can go into it. It'll give me like the Volkswagen Audi part number 4, the software edition, the hardware version. It's really nice if you're looking for these numbers. These scan tools, these newer scan tools now give you all that before you even go in. And now I could go in here, read DTC, actuation test, adaption, basic settings, access permission. I can go into readiness and I can look at the different catalyst monitor, the heated cat monitor, the evap system, the secondary air system, and I can monitor this while I'm doing a test drive to see if my catalyst is, or my different monitors are clearing for like emissions testing or something like that. And then there's a section in here that is the actuation test. You can go through and activate the different things, the injectors, the purge valve regulator and stuff. You can go through and control a lot of stuff with this because it's bi-directional. And then here's what it looks like when you go into, when you select the engine control module or the engine electronics module, and then you hit read DTCs. This is the big blown up version of what it gives you, and then it gives you details here. And then you could go in here and you can do like the reasons, repair suggestions, the description of what the fault code is. Manufacturer defined. You can try to obtain reasons and repair suggestions from Google, and then it says Google search if you want to. Don't prompt again. Accept and continue. See if it'll just let me right through. And there we go. It gives me what the evap codes, how to fix the evaporative emission system. Is it okay to drive with a 442? Causes and fixes for it in the evap system. And then it's just a list of different options for fixing this. And then I swiped this way on the screen and it brought me back. See, if I want to go back, I can just swipe this way. It'll take me back on each screen. Do I want to exit the scan? Yes, I do. Now, this is not going to do any kind of programming or anything like that unless you're looking for like key coding. Sometimes these can add key coding and stuff to it, but this is more for basic bidirectional diagnostics, actuation of different functions and stuff on the vehicle. This is not a full-blown professional programming scan tool, but it's a damn good scan tool, like really good, and it's very convenient. And I like the way, I especially like the way the case looks. I like the way the module looks. I like the way the dongle looks that adapts to it, or that magnetizes to the back. I'm prior military, so this actually makes me happy just handling it and looking at it, because it reminds me of some equipment that we use in the military. But anyhow, I digress. That's my just basic overview of this, the review, and I hope you guys like it. Thank you. and I'll have a link down below so you guys can check it out.